Alright, hello once again, Jeff Scott of Rankin Technical College, and as part of the Rankin Technical College AWD1112 Java Android programming class, and also because of the fact that we are on extended spring break, or at least students are, I've decided to come through here and go through here and do this Balsamiq mock-up first project right there. And I'm actually down near the bottom now to the Contact Us page. So I'm on page 17 of 17. So how are we going to do this? Well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the About Us to the Contact Us. I'll keep all that. I will add this. I will add this. And I will add this stuff at the bottom. Alright, so it gives you a hint. Street map, text input, text area. It says this concludes. So let's take a look at it and try to build it as much as possible on our own here. So I'm going to right mouse click here and choose duplicate. Duplicate. Right mouse click on here and change this to Contact Us. Alright. Now the good news is I can now come back here to the home page and I can choose Contact Us here. I can go to the Products and Services page and do the Contact Us here. And I can go to the About Us and I can do the Contact Us here. And from the Contact Us page, I can go back up to here and I can home Products and Services, About Us, and no link. Now I should be able to iterate my way around here. Alright, so I've got this stuff. This will change from About Us to Contact Us. Alright, this, we don't need that there anymore. And we want a map. So let's see. Street map, it says. So do I have a street map up here? Yes, we do. Alright, so we will take this. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Put it in there like that. So we've got the street map. We want another thing here that says address. That'll go over here. All right. All right, so with where we are right here, we want to come in and we want to add the address information right in here. So I'm going to come up again and I'm going to, just as we did before, all right, I want a title, but we don't want the big one, we want the subtitle. All right, so I'm going to put the subtitle down here, which is about where they show it on our handout. Double click on it, and this is going to say address, and underneath address we're going to add a block of text, which we are again going to stretch out. And we'll stretch down a bit. So it pretty much aligns with the other one. Again, this is not perfect, but it, in my humble opinion, it looks decent. All right. Okay. Now we don't want the our team here. We want here, send us a message. Alright, so we've got that. We don't want any of these users in here that we have. Instead, we want to put in some information that's going to come from a form. And it says here we want a text input and we want a text area. Well, and we're going to want some labels. So that's going to come in down here. So let's double check. So we're going to want down here email address, subject, those, and your message. Those will be our labels. Let's bump up the size of our font here to about 18 approximately. Alright, so we have this. It still looks pretty small. Make it a little bit bigger. Let's make it 24. There we go. I think that'll work. Alright, so we'll take that, we'll copy it and paste it right away. And that will say subject. Alright, and let's do it one more time. Paste it one more time over here. And now this one will say your message. Alright, now it pretty much looks the way we want it to look, except we have to come in here and add a text input here, a text input here, and a text area right here. And then we will be finished. Alright, so let's come in. There's our text area. Here's our text input. There's our subject. And then finally for our text area, which will go in here. And down. Alright. So again, when you take a look at what's on the screen right now, I'm not saying it's exactly the same as what's on here, but it's a pretty good imitation, for lack of better words. Alright, so let's take a quick look one last time. This one is called Contact Us. So let's do a project, save project. Let's try to run it and see if all the links going back and forth work. Alright, let's cancel that. So let's do this one more time. Alright, so go to our home page. That's what we want, our logo, products and services, etc. Go to our products page, and there's that, looking pretty good. Here's our About Us, again looking pretty good. And finally our Contact Us. Alright, now I guess I should put a colon there so it's consistent with the other two. But other than that, I think it looks pretty good. I think we can jump back and forth and get everything that we need in here. So let's go back to here. I'm going to come in and I'm going to add a semicolon or a colon. There's your message, colon. And like I said, I think, although it sure as heck is not perfect, it doesn't look too bad. Last thing I'm going to do is I want to move this and line up with the other ones. This also. Okay, and I think we're just about done then with this one. Now, what I have attempted to do in this particular example, so project, I want to save my project, and what were you told to save this as? You were told to save this as firstproject.bmpr. Alright, I'm going to save that to my desktop. Now that one I'm expecting you to do, so I'm not going to actually save that where it's going to be out there and you're going to get a copy of it. You are expected to do this. What I am going to do next, as I have now finished this mock-up, alright, I'm going to close this. Just want to save the changes. I don't know what changes I might have made, but sure. Alright. So, what I want to do then is I want to go down to the creating a mobile app. Now, this one, for creating a mobile app, this one I have not done before. So I'm going to take my time, but I am going to go through their project. Alright, I'm going to do that, at least get that done today. Then the next step is to go in and add Git. Alright, so I want to be able to add Git both with these projects and with Android Studio. Alright, after we get to that point, then I want to start to really bring it all together. I want us to wireframe our our resume app, set it up so that it's going to have Git support, and then start to create that under Android Studio. Alright, so I'll be back to start doing that shortly.